Good to see you guys. My name is Kazem and I'm here to teach you about the Flutter. In the last video, we talked about what is Flutter and why many companies are supporting, why many companies and individuals are trying to hire those Flutter developers. And in this video, we are going to install a Dart SDK and Flutter SDK on our computer and start it. First of all, in order to install the Dart SDK, Flutter SDK, we need to go to the flutter.dev. After that, we are going to click get started. In this part, we need to select the OS we have, operating system. Currently, I have an Windows. In this part, we are going to download this Flutter Windows stable. You just click over that and you will install it. I have installed in the past and downloaded it. Let's go ahead and check out where. Here is the file we have over here. As you can see, I downloaded it and this is the current file and we need to copy it on our computer. You need to copy it in a single folder. I copied it in my drive D. Let's go ahead and see where it is. I extracted over here in my this folder. This is all the files that we need for setting our Flutter. All you need to do, add this to the system environments. Let's go ahead. For that, we need to go to start, type environment. Just click over here. You need to go to the environment variables, and in this part you need to search for path, which is over here. After that, you need to add this folder directly to the to this part, which I had added in the past, where it is. And also you must add this bin folder. Add this, copy it over here, just new, and add it like this. I added it before, so I don't need to do that again. After that, you can see, after you add these folders, these files to this, and just okay and okay. Also, you need to add this to this system environment as well, like that. So you go to path and add it again to this file. Just add it and then okay and press okay. And it's okay. If it doesn't work, just restart. For to check whether it is installed or not, let's go to the terminal and type where flutter.ro. Just type it over here. It doesn't seem works. Let's type it flutter. If it works, yes, it works. And for that, we need to type. We can also check if there's a problem by typing flutter doctor. Okay. After that, you check everything works fine or not. As you can see, there is a check mark, green check mark, which means that everything works. And also checking another thing, which taking time because of my internet. And another thing we need to install for developing Flutter is an ID. There is two ID for Flutter. One of them is Android Studio. Another one is the VS Code. Both of them are fine. You can install all of them as you wish, as you like. As I come from the Android dev, so I use Android Studio most of the time. And for those who are fine, who are comfortable with VS Code, they can go ahead and install the VS Code for themselves. To install the Android, you need to go to the Android Studio website, developer.android.com studio/studio, and you can need to download the Android Studio as well. After you download it as Android Studio, you need to set up the Android Studio as well. After you complete the setup, you need to go ahead and install the Flutter and Dart plugin, which you can just type Flutter in the plugin section and install it by using just in like this buttons over here. You can just click on the install button and it will be installed automatically for you. But some of them, for those who are starting Android Studio for first time, you must download the SDKs required by Flutter or Android. So you need to pay attention to those SDKs as well. But after you just need to click on next and next and next, and you need to select the SDK directory and just next, and it will install it directly automatically for you. After that, you need to go to the plugin section and just type Flutter and install the Flutter plugin. That's it for setuping the Flutter. I think it's enough for now. Thanks for watching this video. Happy coding.